In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your draft email campaign in Brevo's drag and drop builder. Let's start from your Brevo dashboard. Look to the left menu and click Campaigns. From there, choose Market Email or select the specific campaign type you're working with. This takes you to a list of your campaigns so you can quickly jump back into anything you've already started. Find the draft you want to work on. To the right of that draft, click the three-dot menu. In that menu, select Edit Design. This opens the drag and drop builder, which is where you'll make all your content and style adjustments. Inside the editor, you'll see your email preview in the center and a panel on the left with all your settings and tools. Think of the canvas as your live layout, while the left panel is your control center for content, formatting, and structure. To edit content, click any element you want to change, text blocks, images, or buttons. When you select an element, its settings appear in the left panel. For text, replace placeholder copy with your message and use the left panel to adjust font, size, alignment, and links. Keep text concise and scannable. Short paragraphs and clear headings help readers move quickly through your email. For images, click an image block and upload a new file from your computer. Aim for web-friendly sizes so your email loads fast, and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. If you're updating a button, select it to change the label and link in the left panel. Make sure the button's text clearly communicates the action you want, like Shop Now or Learn More. If you need to change the layout, head to the Blocks or Sections tab in the left panel. Drag in new blocks like text, image, or button, and drop them exactly where you want them. You can also remove any blocks you no longer need. As you rearrange, keep a logical flow, a strong header supporting image or copy, and a clear call to action. When you're ready to refine the overall look, open the Style tab. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing across the entire email. Choose colors that align with your brand and ensure strong contrast for readability. Set consistent heading and body fonts and tune spacing so the content feels open and easy to read, especially on smaller screens. Finally, save your changes. Click Save to lock in your updates and save regularly as you work. That way your design edits, content, and style settings are all preserved for the next time you return.